Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install lead tracking with DealMachine, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the DealMachine app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the lead tracking option in the menu. Click on lead tracking to access the setup screen. You will see an option to add a new lead. Select Add New Lead to start the process. Fill in the required details for your lead, including name and address. You can also add additional information like phone number and email. After entering the information, click on Save. Next, you will have the option to assign the lead to a specific team member. Choose the team member from the drop-down menu. Once assigned, set the lead status to track its progress. You can update the status as you engage with the lead. To ensure accurate tracking, make notes on any interactions. Return to the lead tracking screen to view all leads. You can filter leads by status or team member. For detailed insights, click on a specific lead to view its history. Additionally, use the reporting feature to analyze your lead's performance. This will help you identify trends and areas for improvement. Regularly update your leads to keep your tracking accurate. Finally, familiarize yourself with the mobile app for on-the-go updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.